There was a time when the idea of working from home was a little more than a dream, but in recent years, there has been an explosion in the wide range of occupations that can be done from the comfort of your own house. To make it even better, you can start these jobs with little to absolutely zero capital and start earning thousands every month, regardless of whether you're looking for a full-time job online or simply some way to earn extra on the side. Here are 7 ways to make money from home with little to no capital. Hey guys, welcome to Side Hustle Pursuit, the channel that gives you options when looking for new and interesting side hustles. I'll also share highly effective money-making tips and strategies. So if you're interested in topics like this one, feel free to explore more on my channel. Now let's get on to the video. Starting with number 1, drop servicing. Your clients get the service they need. Your freelancers earn for the services they provide, and you earn money simply by being the bridge between them. As an intermediary between clients and freelancers, you can earn money by mending the gap between the demand for your services and the availability of freelancer services. You won't even need to spend a lot of your capital. If you have the proper basic equipment such as a computer, you're already set. Instead of selling products, you can sell services. Number 2, dropshipping. Starting an online business with dropshipping is one of the quickest, simplest, and lowest risk options available. You can sell almost any product you see on the market, no matter what niche. You also don't have to worry about storage, packaging, and shipping. Between 20% and 30% of online sellers use dropshipping, according to industry observers. In other words, it's a tried and true strategy that will put you in excellent hands. Dropshipping is used by even the largest companies, including Amazon. So what are you waiting for? Add dropshipping to your list of potential income streams. Number 3, Mercari. Are you interested in a simple way to generate money online by selling your used household items? Mercari is an online marketplace where you can buy and sell secondhand products with no promotion costs. You can also purchase products on the other websites and resell them for a profit afterwards. There are tons of items you can sell on Mercari, including but not limited to vintage goods, luxury merchandise, clothes and shoes, home decor and furniture, plus electronics. Mercari is an excellent platform for turning last year's must-haves into quick bucks. Number 4, print on demand. Print on demand is an e-commerce strategy in which you outsource the production and delivery operations of your e-commerce products to a supplier who specializes in producing goods for online retailers. You sell merchandise that is printed on blank t-shirts, mugs, bags, as well as other apparel items and accessories. You will then add the product to your web store, publish your pictures to your platform of choice to advertise, and then divide the revenues from each sale. This great option provides you with the ideal opportunity to earn a living without leaving the comfort of your own home. Within a matter of hours, you might be making sales from your online store if you take the time to get some fundamentals right, put in the necessary amount of effort, and commit the necessary amount of time. The best thing about this business model is this means that there is very little to no risk to your capital. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers are people who promote a company's goods or services online in exchange for a commission or other kind of payment. Savvy companies utilize affiliate marketers to help them reach new customers and then compensate those affiliate marketers for their efforts. If you want to make money with zero starting money, this is definitely the way to go. You have to create content which will relate to customers, helping you generate affiliate revenue once brands reach out. Your content will also promote the products as well as turn your viewers into affiliate customers. To start, you could create a blog or a YouTube channel. After that, create awesome content that will attract potential buyers, and you're on your way to generating income passively a month. Number 6, freelance work. Freelancers may not have the same level of job security as those working full or part-time, but they can make more money than those in more traditional jobs. The perks of working as a freelancer include freedom of schedule and a healthy work-life balance. There are lots of freelancing jobs nowadays. Whatever your skills are, whether you're a writer or a computer whiz, you have tons of options to choose from. Freelancing has positive earning potential, and you don't even have to spend a dime to get started if you already have a computer or phone. Check out sites like Fiverr or Upwork to see the variety of jobs or gigs you may be able to provide work for. Number 7, YouTube. Perhaps the most lucrative online job you can take on is becoming a YouTuber. The richest YouTubers earn millions annually and have gained not only fortune but also fame and influence. By monetizing your videos with advertisements, you can earn an average of $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. You could do this by joining the YouTube Partner Program. Also, you can create sponsored content, do affiliate marketing, sell your own products, or make use of crowdfunding to earn extra. It takes time and effort to make money on YouTube, but the payoffs are certainly worth it. There are a lot of advantages to earning money from home, such as the freedom to choose your own hours and the better ability to maintain a healthy balance between work and your personal life. Have you tried any of these work from home jobs? Comment down below if so. If you're interested in more videos like these, make sure to let us know in the comments section below too. And if you want to see more, just visit the channel, leave a like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.